Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to do a quick fun project. I have a tape dispenser mold, and this is the little piece that goes in the middle that the tape goes on. And I've already mixed up my cement, and today I'm using Cementol, and I want a more natural cement look, but I don't like the color of Cementol. It's kind of beigey. So I'm going to add some white Jesmonite pigment. I find that usually will work well with cement. So I'm going to add some of that to my mixed up cement. I'm adding quite a bit because although it works, it does take more than you would need for Jesmonite to get it to pigment. I'm just going to mix that in and see how the colors look. Alright, it's closer to the color I want, but I'm going to add a little bit more. It's not quite there yet. A little more water. That's closer to the color I'm looking for. Just wanted to get some of that brown undertone out. Alright. Now all I'm going to do is just put that right in the mold. And then I'm going to grab my vibration plate so I can see how much more I actually need of the cement. Alright, I definitely need some more. Alright, and that is all. Now I will just let these sit and cure, and once they're ready, I will come back and assemble. So I will be back. Okay, this is now cured, so I'll go ahead and demold. Okay, there's the base. Turned out well. And now the little piece that goes around the tape. There you go. And then this mold does come with the accessories to put it together. And all that entails is pushing that down into that hole. And then putting your tape on the spindle and then sliding that into the groove there. Like that. And you can also use the little bumpers that they give you to place on the bottom. But I'll go ahead and pull a piece of the tape so you can see it cut. There you have it. Right, and that was very easy to make, so anybody I think could easily make this as long as you have the mold and you know how to mix some cement. It's pretty simple. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos.